and in this video I'm going to show you how we tested the whole thing. The most important thing is to test if it's waterproof, so if all the connections are proof up there, so we don't have free falling drops. And the second very important thing is to make sure that there will be no splashing water outside of the bottom tank. And by the way, what you can see here are those bottles filled with lime-free water. It is very important only to use lime-free water when testing such a fountain, because otherwise we would have very dirty marks of the lime on the threads and inside the tank and everywhere. And here you can see us testing one half of the fountain to see if we have enough power in the pump, which worked fine. And here you can see us testing the other half, which also went pretty good. So all the threads got water. This is also something which was important. And here you see we had to test if the splashes would stay inside those covering plates, and yes, they did. So outside we had almost no drops, and those drops were being collected here on the plate. And in the next video I'm going to show you what happened when we installed that thing where I almost died. Yeah, bye, see you.